Good day, you've reached Gabion Baskets. We're going to talk about some of the products we offer in this video. So I'll be walking around the factory and showing you some of the products so that you can get a better overview of what we offer.
This is our reception area. You're most welcome to come and visit us. We make nice coffee. This material in the video at the moment is our mattress mesh. It's applied 50 meters long and it's 2.6 meter wide. So we use it for the making of our Reno or river mattresses. The mesh, as you can see, is a 60 by 80 millimeter aperture, and the wire diameter is 2.2 millimeter. So this is a smaller aperture than the Gabion mesh, which is an 80 by 100 by 2.7 millimeter. And along the edge you can see it has a thicker wire, which we call a salvage wire, which is a 3.4 millimeter salvage, which is the same for Gabions and river mattresses. This is an example of a 2 meter wide roll by 50 meter long roll, which is standard for us that we make our Gabions out of. The roll is the Gabion mesh, which is 80 by 100 millimeter aperture, 2.7 millimeter mesh wire diameter, and 3.4 millimeter salvage wire along the edges for strengthening of the edges and joins. And it's all class A galvanized mild tensile steel wire. All the mesh is class A galvanized or heavy duty zinc coated, and the 2.2 millimeter binding wire is supplied with this for joining and lacing purposes. This is our class A galvanized 2.2 millimeter binding wire that we use for the lacing of the baskets when we manufacture them and also on construction sites. This is 2.2 millimeter wire diameter, class A galvanized. This material in front of you is class A galvanized plus PVC coated, internal wire diameter 2.2, external wire diameter 3.2. The thickness of the grey PVC coating is 0.5 millimeter thickness. We're currently producing PVC coated product, but we are changing to polyethylene coating within the next month. Watch this space. This is a 2x1 basket plaque flat. As you can see, this is the grey PVC coated product, 80 by 100 millimeter mesh, 0.5 millimeter thickness PVC coating. Along the edges we have the salvage wire, which is 3.4 millimeter. The mesh wire internal diameter is 2.7 millimeter, and then we use either the class A galvanized binding wire for purposes of joining on sites, and we use the stainless steel hog rings for joining in a factory. The possibility exists to use hog ring connections to join on sites.